What's going on, everybody? Ercan with Suds to Success Podcast, back again with another quick tip video. Today's quick tip video is all about your customer experience, specifically your checkout experience. For us, what we've got going on here is a few things. We've got our certificates on the right, which nobody's ever talked about, unfortunately, but I mean, it is what it is. We all knew that. We've got our checkout counter, which is kind of just a husky cabinet. I put all my receipts and business cards and extra stuff and stickers and warranty stuff in there. So if you're ever going to rob me, go in here. We got a debit machine, like I said, and then we've got our client resource center off the iPad. This is really cool. And we've had a lot of benefit or a lot of positive reviews from this. So check out that quick tip video, goes all over it. Business cards, little plant. Unfortunately, it's fake, but a little plant because it's cute and you always need greenery. We've got a WeatherTech product catalog. This is really cool if you got a lot of brand new cars. And we got our Tux Mat pamphlet. We've got one for Carfax, Owner's Pride, security, and solar film. We've got our products here that we sell. This product stuff, I shout out to Andrew. He kind of convinced me that, sell products, customers will buy. I'm like, no, man, who's going to buy products? And they're coming here, blah, blah, blah. They don't want to do it. That's why they're paying me to do it. Then I started selling products. So we are selling DIY stuff. I've mixed it up. I've done interior detailers PNS products. I've done, this product and that product. Doesn't really matter. I just kind of whatever I'm thinking in the moment. I don't mind switching it up. DIY is easy because we use it. So we have our DIY products there, as I'm sure you can see. They're all half full and blah, blah, blah. You can tell that we use it. So a lot of customers say, oh, you guys even use this product. Yeah, we do. That's why your car turned out good. And they'll be like, oh, okay, yeah, give me that. So they'll get it. Ceramic gloss is usually here, but we got an interior detail, soap, tire dressing, and all-purpose cleaner. There's no reason to give them water spot remover and mess up their car. There's no reason to give them crazy things, in my opinion. You could if you want. We've got a mini hood. This is something that Andrew kind of gave me the idea for is, you could do half ceramic coated, half not ceramic coated, half with PPF on it, and the other half no PPF, scratch it up and show the customer and rip it off. That's really cool. But yeah, the big focal point I want to focus on is what I've only had here, actually a week from today, is this TV. So the benefit of this TV is, it's a TV. You can do things with it. You can watch stuff. But it's kind of an upsell tool. Now, with this upsell tool, you've got to be kind of strategic. You want to put things in, not in order, but you want to put things in a certain fashion where, okay, if the customer got an interior detail, they're not going to be really worried about an interior detail slide. They're going to be focused on the things that they don't know about. So ceramic coating for the interior, 1 year, 5 year, quick little description and what the benefits are. The reason why they're all short is this is on a loop. You can pause it, obviously, if you wanted to, pause it and play it and whatever you wanted to do, but it's on a loop. So the customer's going to be reading it and then it just loops over. You don't need to put a whole paragraph. We've got our PPF one. This is cool because it has some visuals, partial front, full vehicle PPF. I made this off with ChatGPT. I'm getting custom ones made, but what I would add as well is a wear and tear, kind of the interior PPF, like you could do the buttons and stuff, or like the gloss black trim. In the bottom right corner, and the reason why I put it in that, most of the time I stand over there because I'm showing them the client portal, and they're standing here. The big ask about PPF or ceramic coating, that's kind of their click to their click button on a website. Our thank you page, this is like share your experience, help us improve, support your growth, we appreciate you. Again, ChatGPT made this. I would add like referral program, asking for a review, which is good. The feedback is cool, and then we appreciate you. QR code, leave me alone. I've already had a customer make fun of me for it. This is, again, just for test subjects or it's testing purposes. So it's worked really well for us. We've got our coating on 1 year, 3, 5, and 7. A lot of customers don't know for some reason that we offer coatings, even though it's on our website, on our Instagram. They'll come in for an interior detail. All they know about is interior detail. Then they're like, oh, my paint's kind of dull and blah, blah, blah. And this is scratch and this is cool and this is whatever. So this is really cool because it's kind of just like, oh, actually, look at this. This is what we offer. I don't like to add pricing into it, just kind of so it gives an idea of, okay, this is what we offer. Ask me about it. I want to talk to you about it. So you're kind of pushing them and talk to you about it. That's why I don't put prices on there. And then you can obviously, if you're good at what you do, you can sell them. So this has been really cool. We've had, honestly, it looks like a mess to me. It looks very, very horrible. The wiring, just things not looking right. The wall behind it is all messed up. There's a hole in the wall. It looks horrible to me, but we've had, honestly, in the last week, we've had about 10 compliments and about 3 big jobs booked off of it, which is really, really an eye-opener for me. But yeah, to focus on your customer experience, this checkout stuff, you can get a TV, you can get a bigger one, you can get a smaller one, whatever works best for you in your space, in your shop. And then obviously a debit machine, things like that. You want to be able to print them a copy of the receipt, show them the you're able stuff, which you might even be able to do on here, which I'm not really technologically advanced. So I'm not really going to mess with it. But if you like this quick tip video, or if it helped you out in any way, please like it and subscribe and comment down below. We want to hear from you. What would you like to see on our next quick tip video? I'm good at yapping. I'm good at explaining stuff. Well, kind of. And it's me. I'll see you every week. Thank you all so much. Take care, everybody.